Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will explain you how I can create the function blocks in the PLC, Siemens PLC, and call function how we can call to the main program. Let's go to our Schematic Manager software, and here we will create the new project. Just find your CPU, which CPU you have, you can select it from here. I have a CPU 314IFM, so I selected this one and click on next. And which language you like to be create the program, so click on and next. And here you have to be give your program name. For example, this program name I will give function block, function underscore function block, and click on finish. And just now your program is ready. And already in previous videos I explained about the function blocks, FP blocks, and now we will insert new object and create on this. Already an FP block already we discussed, and now we go to this function. But first we will open this one, our OB organization block, and here we will create some program first. View, zoom factor little, make it bigger after, go to visible. For an example, here we will take one outputs and we will create same as copy, and here create new network, and here can be paste and just only giving the addresses. For example, M 100.0, Q 124.0 we will be start, and Q 124.1 we can use, Q 124.2 we can use, and this M 100.1 we can choose, and here also Q 124.3 we can use, here Q 124.4 can be used, Q 124.5 can be used. So for an example, this is our main program, and this I will download to the PLC and make it ready. We will check simulation, and as per seen you can, our this main program is now running. For example, I make it on, this is our all are working by 0. And now how we will create this already in previous video explained about this one function block, and now we will create for this FC blocks. Go to your main page, and here right click on main OB, insert new object, and go to the function. And here you can see FC1 already, you can see this is the one function name, and here we can give the our name. For example, in one company you have 3 or 4 5 6 areas, and this all areas have different work. For example, one area is, for example, washing area. We will make first one washing area, WAS, washing ARIA. Area name you can give, and here if you like to give the comment you can give, if not give, this depend on your choice, and click OK. And you can see your one function block is now created, and one more we will take 1 2 3 for understanding. And now you can see upside coming the FC2, and here you can, for example, this is a cleaning area, and click enter. Now your two function blocks are completed, and again one more we will be create function, and just give the name. For example, this is dryer area, dryer area. And now these three blocks are completed, and three blocks we will make small program also inside, and open this one, and zoom factor we will little make bigger. And for example, in this our block you can see here upside, this is dryer area. Here which machine is running, what's the purpose, how you like to be design the logic, that's depend on you. But I will just create one small program inside this one, and also we will make it here. For example, I 124.0 I first choose, and this is we will choose I 124.1, and this we will give Q 124.7, and same as this network image network we will copy and go to the this one block, and here also little make big, click OK, and there we will, this I think so cannot paste because of this one. Here you can make, but must be this you have to be understand, don't overlap the addresses, must be addresses will be different. For example, here I will take M 100.8, and yeah, this cannot run, 100.10.0, M10.0, M10.1, and here we can give M10.2. Memory addresses just only internally we will use, and after go to FC1, also we will create here one program. For example, here M10.5, and here M10.7. So this all programs we created, and this all programs we will be called to our main function. This we will download to the, first you go to the main page, and here you can see this your all blocks are now completed. So select this all blocks and download to the PLC and click on yes, yes, again yes, again yes, all. Now your all blocks are ready, and open this one, and here you can see this is your main program, and this I will make it download this one again, and I will monitor. And this program you now can see this program is now running yani, right, and this is working. But instead of this one, when we go to the FC1, for example this one also I will download and go to the monitor, and now you can see this is also, this is working, run condition, but any function is not working. Because of why? Because of still we not call this function to from our main program. So again we will go back to our main OB, and here we will stop this simulation, and here we will go to an next network, new network create, and here can create, or anywhere you can create. Here we will create the next, and go to here the program section. This is program control. Here is you can find this one call instruction. This we will be choose, and here we have to be give the address which block we have to be call from the main, that we have to be defined here. Here we will write our first FC block. You can see which one, also you can see it here now which blocks we are created, this are showing here also. This is first our washing area, and this is cleaning area, and this is drying and dryer area. We will create this one for washing area, for example WA, just only when you like this one, and click enter. And after this you can see this is now your washing area call function is ready. And second this two later I will be define, but first this one I will download to the PLC and monitor this one. And now you can see this call function is activate, and now we will go to the function 1. Function 1 we will activate, and now we will go to monitor, and now you can see this your function is ready, and this is now working. Now I like to be start and stop, start or stop, you can see this is working. And because of this is we called from the main program, and same as this two other, this one open this block also, and also this will we will be download to PLC and monitor, and you can see this is not working because of this is also not call. So we will go to our main program, main OB, and here we will insert network, and same as go to program control, and here we can use this call function. Same as another you can insert network and also choose one more, and here we will our call to our cleaning area, this cleaning area, and click enter. And now this function is also activate this cleaning area, and now one remaining this dryer area also we will dewrite, and dryer area will be selected, and this is now your three functions are activate and download to the PLC, and click on monitor, and now you can see your all three functions are now activated. This dryer area also, this cleaning area, and this is washing area. And when you go to this cleaning area, open this block and monitor this, and now you can see this is now working. As I make it on, this can be on also and off also. Same as this dryer area, when you open also this one, make the monitor first, download this block and make monitor, and you can see it's now working. Yeah, this is executed from I124.0. This is my external input. This I can stop from outside. Now you can see this is the stop. This is number one. If I give the signal at I124.1, this will be executed. So now this is how many functions you like to create, and you can call from your main program. This is your main program, and this will be not affected when you like to be execute this other programs. This will be work. If you not like to be execute, this program will be not work. In future also you can save these programs and you can use in the your main program. This will be very easy and reliable system. Hope guys you will be understand about this function block, how we can creates in the Siemens PLC SN300. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.